Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 ML300 Mercedes-Benz. Recently I had an issue with an air spring that exploded, and ever since then my run flat indicator warning has been displaying on the dashboard. So I've just started the car, and as you can see we've got the run flat indicator showing on the dashboard there. So in order to reset the run flat indicator, come to the steering wheel and we navigate to the odometer. And then we press the up and the down arrow buttons until we come through to the run flat indicator. Okay, so now we're at the run flat active indicator menu R button. So press the R button. Then we come across to the plus and minus on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Press the plus, comes up to yes, and press enter. And now we can see the run flat indicator is restarted. So switch the car off, restart the car, and we can see now that we do not get the restart run flat indicator error message on the dashboard. If this video has been useful to you, do feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel.